got here is my water boiler, and all it is an 1800 milliliter. It's actually a 2000 milliliter beaker, and then I've got this. It's a camp stove made out of titanium foil. It's got a couple titanium stakes coming through it that beaker sits on in there, and it just happens to perfectly fit around the beaker. And what the other cool thing about that is the titanium reflects the heat, so it all gets directed into this water and heats it up real nice and quick and efficient. It kind of scoops all that heat up into there, puts it right on, and without putting burn marks on the bottom of the beaker, and it's more of an even heat. You don't get the spots of heat building up. So what we're going to be doing this morning is making some Black Rifle Coffee Company's coffee. They got their hat on. Now, Black Rifle Coffee Company is some guys, a bunch of veterans, kind of a bunch of badasses, and they make coffee and whiskey and a bunch of other manly shit. I don't know if coffee is inherently a manly thing, but if you buy their coffee, it is. So I'll let the water cool down a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and take you over here where I'm going to pour it to the machine.